Find the square root of this algebraic expression. Clearly, x, y, z doesn't equal 0. The denominators of the first three terms have a common multiple, x, y, z, so they can be written as 1 over x, y, z times x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Similarly, the denominators of the last three terms also have a common multiple, x, y, z, so they can be written as 2 over x, y, z times y, z plus zx plus xy. These two terms have the same denominators. We can add the numerators, so we can write x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2 times yz plus zx plus xy over xyz. The numerator can be simplified and can be written as the sum of x, y, z all squared. Taking the square root of both sides of the identity, the right-hand side can be written as root of x plus y plus z all squared times xyz over xyz all squared by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by xyz, which can be written as root of x plus y plus z over xyz all squared times xyz, which is equal to modulus of x plus y plus z over xyz times root of xyz. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.